Need to settle your BillEase loan quickly and securely? Here's how you can pay it directly through your Cash app. First, ensure you have a sufficient balance in your Cash wallet to cover the loan amount. Open the Cash app and log into your account. On the main dashboard, tap on Pay Bills. In the Bills menu, select Loans as the biller category. You will then need to find and select BillEase or BillEase, Inc. from the list of loan providers. Next, carefully enter your required account details. This is typically your BillEase registered mobile number or your loan account number. Input the exact amount you need to pay and double-check all the information. A crucial reminder: always use the official biller name within the Cash app. Do not transact through personal accounts claiming to be agents, as this is a common scam. Proceed with the payment by confirming the transaction with your MPIN. You will receive a confirmation SMS and email from both Cash and BillEase once the payment is successful. Please note that it may take a few hours for the payment to reflect in your BillEase account. And that's it! You have successfully paid your BillEase loan using Cash.